the chapter, the first Indian woman mountaineer. So today we will be doing the exercise part of the chapter. So what has happened in the chapter till now? The chapter is about the first Indian woman mountaineer. And who is that? It is Bachendri Pal. Okay, Bachendri Pal hai, jo ki kya thi? She was the first Indian woman mountaineer who climbed the Mount Everest. So we are firstly told about the personal life and the childhood of Bachendri Pal. So she was born in Nakudi village in Garhwal, and she was born in a family of limited means. Okay, unki jo family thi, she was a family of, it was a family of limited means. Limited means that means what? Limited means matlab ki unki family, it was not a family of very rich. It was not a rich family. It was a quite a poor family. They have limited means. They have limited food. They have limited supplies. Everything they had was limited. But unlike other Garhwal girls means the community of Garhwal. Uski jo unki jo ladkiyan hoti thi, what they used to do generally, they were not allowed to study. They were not allowed to study after high school. High school भी नहीं उन्हें भेजा जाता था और college तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं भेजा जाता था. But Bachendri Pal showed her determination and she impressed her family to send her to high school. So she completed her high school, she completed her college, and in college also she was good at studies. Plus she was good at shooting. Okay, what has happened? Wait, children, just wait for a second. Yeah. Children, the text which I'm sharing, is that visible to you? Just give me a thumbs up. The text which I'm sharing, is that clearly visible to you? Okay. Okay, then let's continue. So she was sent to college, she was sent to school, she was good at studies, plus she was good at shooting. Okay, so she secured first position in shooting also in college. Now what does she do? As she had to earn money for the family. She wanted to earn money for the family, but the jobs which were coming to her way, they were the jobs of very low salary. They were the jobs of very low salary. They were not giving her a great salary. So, what does she decides to do? She decides to join Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, and she aims at becoming a professional mountaineer. कि मैं professional mountaineer बनूंगी, and she joins Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. So she joins there, she trains there, she gets training there, and due to her hard work, she gets selected in the first India's expedition, which was named as Everest 84. India का expedition था, India का camp था, जो किसके लिए था? It was for, yeah, it was for climbing Mount Everest. पूरा एक camp था, लोगों की team बनाई गई थी, and she was one of them. Bachendri Pal was selected in that. So she went to Kathmandu. They flew to Kathmandu. The whole team flew to Kathmandu. वहाँ पे उनकी training हुई. Then in May उन्होंने Mount Everest climb कर लिया. Okay, May month के अंदर उन्होंने Mount Everest climb कर लिया. So she becomes the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. वहां पे उनको बहुत problems आई. There were winds at the speed of 100 kilometers per hour there. There were almost vertical grounds. There was snow there. The temperature was minus 40 degrees Celsius. So there were so many problems which they were facing. But even after those problems, what did she do? She was at the top of Mount Everest, and she becomes the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. So after that, she has won so many awards, and she has become the member of so many clubs. She have got Arjuna Award, Padma Bhushan, and many more. She has got many more awards. Okay, so let's continue with the oral response questions which we had left there. So children, take out page number 15, the oral response questions on page number 15. Question number 1, what was the speed of the cold winds? So when Bachendri Pal was at the top of the Everest, what was the speed of the cold winds? The speed of the wind was about 100 kilometers per hour. Okay. Question number 2, What was the temperature while climbing? So what was the temperature while climbing? It was -30 to 40 degree Celsius. इतना कम temperature था, बहुत कम temperature था. -30 to 40 मतलब हम सोच भी नहीं सकते इतना ठंडा. Okay, so the temperature there was -30 to 40 degree Celsius. Question number 3. How were they able to stand on the top of Mount Everest? So अब जो एवरेस्ट का जो peak था, that was very a small place. So it was small, so small that it could not accommodate two people. दो लोग पहुंचे थे वहां पे. So Bachindri Pal और एक और there was one more guy. Okay, so it was so small that they had to put their anchors. उनके जो anchors थे, लोहे के anchors थे, उसको उन्होंने snow में गाड़ा, and then they were standing at the top of the Everest. Okay, the peak was too small that it could not accommodate persons. So what did they do? They anchored themselves by digging their ice axes into the snow. Okay. Question number 4. What did she place in the snow while descending? So what did she place in the snow? Who will answer this question? What did she place in the snow while descending? जब वहां पहुंच गई उसके बाद what did she place in the snow? जब वापस उतर रही थी when she was descending means what? She was climbing down. What did she place in the snow? Yes, children, answer me this question. Raise your hand and answer me. Yes, Akriti, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, she keep God Gurdas picture and the Hanuman Chalisa's copy.
Yeah, so what did she kept? She kept Goddess Durga's picture and a copy of Hanuman Chalisa. Okay. Yeah, good, Akriti. Please mute yourself. Okay, so oral response question, part 2. How long did they stay at the top? So how long did she stay at the top? कितनी देर के लिए she was at the top? Bachindri Pal was at the top of the Everest. Yes, children, answer me. Faster, जल्दी से ढूंढो answers. Daksh, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, 43 minutes.
Yeah, so give me the whole answer. Give me the full answer for that, please.
For about 43
She
minutes,
stayed at the top. She
is
at the top of the Everest. Okay, so she stayed at the top of for about 43 minutes. Okay, good, Daksh. Please mute yourself. What is the rank to reach on the Mount Everest in the world? Okay, what is the rank? It's a question. The language is, there's a problem with the language. What was the rank of Bachindri Pal in the world to climb Mount Everest? What was the rank of hers? She was the 5th woman in the world to climb Mount Everest. पूरी दुनिया में वो माउंट एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ने वाली 5th औरत थी, 5वीं महिला थी. ओके, और पूरे इंडिया में कौन सी थी? फर्स्ट थी. For what did Rajiv Gandhi award? For what did Rajiv Gandhi award her? Rajiv Gandhi ने उन्हें किसके लिए award किया? Let's find out the answer. Where is the answer? Okay, children, anyone knows the answer for this one? For what did Rajiv Gandhi award her? Yes, children, raise your hand. I'm also trying to find this answer. Where is it? What did Rajiv Gandhi award her? Where is Rajiv Gandhi ka award isme? Okay, yeah, yes, it's there. Yes, okay, Jivika, I'm unmuting you. Excuse me. Yes, Jivika.
Rajiv Gandhi had presented the 1986 Ladies Study Group Award to her recognition of her outstanding contribution in the field of mountaineering.
Mountaineering. Okay, good. Okay, so please, good, Jivika, please mute yourself. Question number 4. What awards have been given to Bachendri Pal? So there are so many awards. There are Padma Shri, Arjuna Award, IMF Gold Medal, Cash Award from the UP government and TISCO. So these awards you have to write. कि क्या क्या awards मिले हैं उनको? Arjuna Award, IMF Gold Medal, these ones, okay? Padma Shri, Arjuna Award, IMF Gold Medal, Cash Award from UP government and TISCO, okay? Okay, children, so let's move on the exercise part of the chapter. Okay, let's discuss these questions. How did Bachendri Pal and her mates face the difficulties while ascending and descending? So क्या क्या उनको difficulties face करनी पड़ी while ascending and descending? Ascending मतलब चढ़ाई करना, descending मतलब उतरना. So what was the problems which they were facing? Yes, children, answer me. Yes, children, answer me this question. Children, raise your hand and answer me this question. What was the problems which they were facing? Daksh is raising his hand, but where is Daksh? I can't see him. Daksh is here. Okay. Yes, Daksh, I'm unmuting you.
They all had to face many obstacles like frozen ice with 100 km per speed of the wind and temperature below 30 to 40 Celsius in a minus.
Yeah. So yeah, good. So these were the problems which they were facing. There were vertical sheets of frozen ice. There were cold winds which were blowing at about 100 kilometers per hour, and the temperature was as low as minus 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Oh yeah, very good, Daksh. Please mute yourself. Question number 2. How was Bachendri Pal greeted by government of India and states? So when she climbed Mount Everest climb करने के बाद, how was she greeted by government of India and states? Government of India और जो दूसरे states की government थी, how did they treat her? How was she greeted? Yes, children, answer. I am also trying to find out the answer for this one. Daksh is again raising his hand. Anyone else knows the answer for this one? How was Bachindri Pal greeted by the government of India and states? Yes, I want the answer from you people. Daksh is again raising his hand. Anyone else knows the answer? Otherwise, I'll have to unmute Daksh again. किसी और को आंसर पता है? Okay, Daksh, I'm unmuting you.
She should greet respect or for good by
Please come again.
putting.
Please come again. I'm not able to. वापस से बोलो एक बार starting से.
She should greeted respect from good by putting down her head. She also put the
No. हम पूछ रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट ने इंडिया की गवर्नमेंट ने और और दूसरी जो गवर्नमेंट्स थी उन्होंने बचेंद्री पाल को कैसे ट्रीट किया बाद में जब माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ के आ गई उसके बाद में जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया थी उन्होंने बचेंद्री पाल को कैसे ट्रीट किया वी आर आस्किंग दिस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने कैसे उनको ट्रीट किया So she was given so many awards. She was given so many awards by the government. She was given awards by the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, and even the state governments. State governments like the UP government, they awarded her with the cash prize. उनको बहुत सारे awards मिले, जैसे कि Arjun Award and Padma Shri and IMF Gold Medal. She also got an award from the then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, the Ladies Study Group Award. ठीक है and she got Padma Shri, Arjun Award, IMF Gold Medal and cash award from UP government and TISCO. Okay, so question number 3. What is Bachendri Pal doing in different fields of sports and others now? So what is she doing now? There are so many things which she is doing. अभी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो Bachendri Pal कर रही हैं. What is she doing? She is ये जो लास्ट पैराग्राफ है इसके अंदर से आपको बहुत सारी चीजें पिक करके निकालनी है कि व्हाट इज शी डूइंग इन द डिफरेंट फील्ड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स wait children some people are still joining okay so what are these people what is Bachendri Pal doing in different field of sports and others now what is Bachendri Pal doing now latecomers okay सो शी इज, अभी जैसे कि हम यहाँ से पिक करते हैं लास्ट पैराग्राफ में से आंसर कि वो अभी क्या कर रही है. सो शी इज नाउ, बचेंद्री पाल इज नाउ a member of governing body of Indian Mountaineering Foundation, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, NIM, National Adventure Foundation, and she's also a vice chairman of Bhagirathi Seven Sisters Club, Uttarkashi, and All India Women's Judo and Karate Federation. So she is the member of mountaineering clubs. Mountaineering clubs की तो member है ही, but also she is a member of All India Women's Judo and Karate Federation, and she is the president of Lioness Club of India. Okay, so हमको पूछा है कि अलग अलग जो स्पोर्ट्स के फील्ड हैं उसमें क्या कर रही है. तो माउंटेनियरिंग के अंदर तो हमने बता दिया कि इंडियन माउंटेनियरिंग फाउंडेशन की मेंबर है, हिमालयन माउंटेनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट की मेंबर है, एनआईएम की है, नेशनल एडवेंचर फाउंडेशन की है, एंड दूसरा स्पोर्ट जो कि कराटे है, द अदर स्पोर्ट्स कराटे फेडरेशन की भी मेंबर है, ऑल इंडिया वुमेन्स जूडो एंड कराटे फेडरेशन की भी मेंबर है, and she is the president of Lioness Club of India. Okay, so this is what she is doing in other sports as and mountaineering. Question number 3. Okay, we have done this. Okay, children, so let's move towards the exercise part. Yes, children. Question number 1. I want all of you to find the answers quickly and mark them up. Okay, children. Question number 1. Bachendri Pal was, what was Bachendri Pal? She was the first person to climb Mount Everest, the only woman to climb Mount Everest, or the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest, the first Asian woman to climb Mount Everest? Yes, children, answer me this question. Badri, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, C, the first Indian woman to have climbed Mount Everest.
Yeah, so the answer for this one is C. Okay, the answer for this one is C. Okay, Badri, please mute yourself. Second one, Bachendri Pal was born in the year, कौन से साल में पैदा हुई थी वो? She was born in the year. Yes, children, answer me this question. Ashita is raising her hand. Ashita, where are you now? I'm not able to see. Okay, Vedang. Okay, it's Ashita is there. Ashita, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, 1954.
Yes, cool. So she climbed Mount Everest in 1954, and she was born in 1954, and in which year did she climb Mount Everest? Yes, Ashita, in which year did she climb Mount Everest? 1984. Okay, good. So 1954 में तो पैदा हुई थी और 1984 में Mount Everest पे चढ़ी थी. ठीक है? Ashita, please mute yourself. Question number 3. The Nepalese name for Mount Everest is? Yes, children, answer this question. The Nepalese name for Mount Everest is? Vedanga, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, Sagarmat.
Yeah, so C, answer for this one. The Nepalese name is Sagarmat. अब देखो यहाँ पे अलग अलग ऐसे दिए, सागरमत है, सागर मंथन है, सागर चक्रा है, सागर मद्रा है, थोड़े similar sounding है, but the correct answer is C. Okay, Vedant, please mute yourself. Question number 4. Her mentor was, yes, who was her mentor? Who was the mentor of Bachendri Pal? Avni, I'm unmuting you. Okay, I'm not able to see. Children, please raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Okay, Badri, I'm unmuting you again.
Ma'am, A, Navjot Gyan Singh.
No, it's the wrong one. It was not, her mentor was not Navjot Gyan Singh.
Ma'am,
Navjot Gyan Singh
Brigadier Gyan Singh. Brigadier Gyan Singh.
Yes, correct. So Brigadier Gyan Singh is the correct answer. Okay, Navjot Gyan Singh nahi hai. Okay, children. Question number 5. Badri, please mute yourself. When Bachendri was 12, Bachendri 12 साल की थी, तब उन्होंने क्या किया? Yes, children, answer me this question. What did she do when Bachendri Pal was 12? Akriti, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, she started earning money by sewing.
Nahin, and also, no, she started earning money by sewing in her when she got in high school. High school में गई तब. But she had her first experience of mountaineering. जब वो 12 साल की थी तब क्या हुआ था? She went to the picnic. She went to picnic with her schoolmates, and there they climbed a mountain of about 13,000 feet. So it was her first experience of mountaineering. Okay, so at the age of 12, what happened? She got her first experience of mountaineering. Okay, so the answer for this one is B. Fifth answer kya hai? B. Okay. Okay, children, so let's move to the fill in the blanks. Okay, Bachendri Pal dashed the peak of Mount Everest on May 23rd, 1984. Yes, children, answer me this question. Bachendri Pal ne kya kiya? The peak of Mount Everest at the age of on May 23rd, 1984. What did she do? Yes, children, answer me this question. Kush Kutari, you are raising your hand, but your camera is not on. आपका कैमरा ऑन नहीं होगा तो मैं आपको म्यूट अनम्यूट नहीं कर सकती, ठीक है? कुछ मुझे बुक मत दिखाओ, अपना शक्ल दिखाओ. हाँ जी, आंसर दीजिए अभी.
Bachendri Pal climbed the peak of the Mount Everest on May 23, 1984.
Yeah, and we can also write surmounted. Okay, surmounted मतलब टॉप पे खड़े होना. Okay, so she surmounted the peak. Okay, I hope you get it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kush, please mute yourself. She surmounted the peak of Mount Everest at the age of on May 23rd, 1984. Okay, so 1984 तो वो साल था जब वो माउंट एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ी थी. 1954 वो साल था जब वो पैदा हुई थी. Okay, I hope we are clear with that. Okay, question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Second one. She was first exposed to what at the age of 12? She was first exposed to what at the age of 12? Yes, children, answer. Jivika, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, mountaineering.
Yeah, good. So easy one, mountaineering, okay? Oh, okay, I'm not able to write. What happened? Mountaineering. Okay, so she was first exposed to mountaineering at the age of 12. I hope I have written the correct spelling. Yeah, it is. Okay, question number 3. She secured bachelor's degree in what has happened? Someone is writing in the chat. Ma'am, answer sheet. Badri Chaudhary saying answer sheet. Answer sheet for what? Answer sheet for your assignments that will be sent to you in today evening. आज शाम को भेज दी जाएगी आपको आंसर शीट. ओके, आंसर शीट की बात बाद में करेंगे, पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं क्वेश्चंस. Question number 3. She secured bachelor's degree in what? And master's degree in what? Yes, children, answer me this question. Bachelor degree उनको किस में ली और master's degree किस में मिली? Yes, children, answer. Vedika, I'm unmuting you. Okay, I'm not able to unmute you. Wait, let me try again. I'm still not able to unmute you. आपके इधर से कुछ settings problem है क्या, वैदिक? No? Okay, I'm not able to unmute you. Okay, anyone else? Again, the same children are raising their hands. I want answer from other people as well. Jia Kichi, I'm unmuting you. Hanji, Jia Kichi, I'm unmuting you. But I'm not able to. What? I guess there are settings problems with on my side. Okay, Avni, I'm unmuting you. I'm still not able to. There must be some problem with my side.
Ma'am, master's degree in education. Ma'am, degree in education and master degree in Sanskrit.
Yeah, okay. Vedic has also answered and Ami has also answered. Okay, good. So Ami, please mute yourself. So she got her bachelor's degree in what? She got her bachelor's degree in education and master's degree in Sanskrit. Okay. So she got her bachelor's degree in education and master's degree in Sanskrit. Okay, question number 4. Fourth one. India sent its 4th expedition dash Everest 84 in the year 1984 to Mount Everest. Yes, children, answer. Madhvi Baheria, you are raising your hand, but your camera is not on. Madhvi Baheria, if you want to answer the question, please turn your camera on first. Madhvi, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, answer is Christian.
Come again. आपका voice थोड़ा clearly audible नहीं है.
Ma'am, answer is Christian.
Yeah, christened. So India sent its 4th expedition, christened Everest 84. Yeah. अरे बाबा मैं लिखा क्यों नहीं? Okay, good Madhvi, please mute yourself. Though India sent its 4th expedition, जिसका नाम क्या था? Everest 84. So christened means what? जिसका किसी का नाम रखते हैं उसे जैसे कहते हैं christened. So the जो expedition भेजा था, जो camp भेजा था, it was christened Everest 84. Christened का मतलब नाम रखा जाना. Okay, तो उसका नाम क्या रखा गया? Everest 84. Okay, Bachendri got down on her knees, touched the dash with her head and thanked God. Yes, children, answer for question number 5th. Answer for fill in the blanks. 5th one. So what did she do? Vedic, Vedic name. It's Vedang or what? आदर्श मैं अभी किसी को भी फिर मैं पिक करके और मैं आंसर पूछ लूंगी. चिल्ड्रन जो अगर थोड़ा सा भी आप आंसर जानते हैं प्लीज चिल्ड्रन डोंट आंसर इन दिस वन, डोंट आंसर इन द चैट रूम. ओके, वैदिक का मैं अनम्यूट नहीं कर पाई थी इसलिए मैं उसने आंसर दिया. ओके फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट प्लीज आप लोग इसमें आंसर नहीं देंगे चैट रूम में. ओके Okay, so Bachindri got down on her knees and what did she touch? She touched the meridian. उसने meridian touch किया. She touched the meridian and she thanked the God. So she became 6th one. She became what number of women in the world to scale Mount Everest? पूरे world में कौन सी उनकी rank थी? It was her 5th rank. Okay, it was 5th rank to पूरे दुनिया में 5th. She was 5th woman to climb Mount Everest. Okay, let's move to the true and false. Question number 1. Bachendri Pal was born into a family of rich with unlimited means. We know the answer. Bachendri Pal was very rich, or Bachendri Pal was a family of limited means. No, she was in the family of poor people of limited means. She was not rich. Okay, so this becomes a false. Okay, so this becomes a false. Okay, बड़ी सुंदर writing में लिख रही हूँ मैं, but please you get it right. This is a false. Okay. Question number 2. She also secured the first position in rifle shooting event, beating other boys and girls during her college days. So she secured first position in rifle shooting event. वहाँ पे उन्होंने सारे लड़के लड़कियों को हरा दिया था अपने college days के अंदर. Okay, so this is a true. Okay, so that is a true. Okay, children, so that becomes a true. Yeah, very difficult to write on the screen. Question number 3. She aimed to become a professional shooter. Yes, children, answer me this question. She wanted to become a professional shooter. Vedanga, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am, false.
Why is it a false? False क्यों है?
Ma'am, because she aimed to become a mountaineer.
Yes, good. So she wanted to become a mountaineer. and not a shooter. Okay, तो ये क्या है आपका? False है. Okay, okay, Baba. Okay, children, I'm not able to write on the screen very clearly. Okay, so this is a false. Okay, so this is a false. Okay, question number 4. For about 30 minutes, she stayed on summit and took several photographs. Yes, children, answer this question. For about 30 minutes, she stayed on the summit. Summit means on the top of the Everest, and she took several photographs. Madhvi, I'm unmuting you.
False.
Why is it a false?
Ma'am, because she stayed 43 minutes.
Yeah, so she stayed on the mountain for 43 minutes and not for 30 minutes. So that's why it is a false. Okay, good, Madhvi. Please mute yourself. Question number 5. She has been awarded Padma Shri, Arjun Award, and IMF Gold Medal. Yes, children, answer this question. Has she been awarded these awards? Have I unmuted some person, I guess? Okay, I'm not able to unmute some people. It's okay. So she has been awarded Padma Shri, Arjun Award, and IMF Gold Medal. That's a true. Okay, that's a true. Okay, so the answer for fifth one is true. Okay, children, so let's move on the next page.
Ma'am, you have unmuted me.
हाँ तो अपने आप को भी mute कर लो. Okay, getting it? Okay, there are so many marks. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So you the first one. Write the summary of the lesson. So you have to write the summary of the lesson. The summary we have discussed a bit. A part of it we have discussed in the beginning of the lecture. In the beginning of the lecture, we have discussed the part of the summary. So you have to write a summary of the lesson. So you have to submit this question to me on Scholars ERP. Which question? Summary of the lesson. And the second one, make 10 points from first Indian mountaineer in your own words. This is also a type of summary only. ये जो है ये भी एक summary है कि इस chapter में से आपको क्या करना है? You have to mark 10 points. Okay, आपको 10 points निकालने हैं and you have to write those. Okay, and there's also one more interesting question on the next page. This one. Okay, this one you have to do. You have to write 15 sentences on Sachin Tendulkar and how he got popularity. Okay, so you have to write 15 sentences on Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar बहुत लोगों का favorite cricketer है, मेरा भी favorite cricketer है, बहुत लोगों का favorite cricketer है. So you have to write 15 sentences about it. Google नहीं करना है कि Google पे Sachin Tendulkar लिखा और 15 sentences लिख लिए. वो तो कोई भी लिख सकता है. अपने words में 15 sentences लिखने हैं सचिन तेंदुलकर के बारे में जो आपको पसंद है. कि क्या पसंद है और आपको क्या जानकारी है उसके बारे में, क्या नॉलेज है कि क्या क्या सुना हुआ है सचिन के बारे में कि सचिन आता था तो ऐसे हिट करता था. सचिन के जो मेंटोर थे वो एक सिक्का रखते थे किसके ऊपर, ये किसी ने स्टोरी सुनी है? सचिन के जो टीचर थे, उसके जो कोच थे, व्हाट डिड शी यूज्ड टू डू, वो जो आपका उसके पिच के पीछे व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड, विकेट के ऊपर एक कॉइन रखते थे और वहां पे सचिन बैटिंग करता था. और क्या होता था कि उसको चैलेंज करते थे उसके कोच कि अगर ये सिक्का नहीं गिरने दिया तुमने, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, अगर तुम आउट नहीं हुए पूरे मैच में तो ये सिक्का तुम्हारा. ओके, दैट मीन्स आपको वो सिक्का बचा के खेलना है, दैट मीन्स आपको अपना विकेट बचा के खेलना है. सो दैट्स हाउ सचिन यूज्ड टू अर्न सो मेनी कॉइन्स. एक दिन का 1 रुपया मिलता था ऐसा. तो ऐसे करके सचिन ने बहुत सारे कॉइन्स अर्न किए हुए हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉइन्स कमाए हुए हैं, बिल्कुल भी आउट नहीं होके, पूरे मैच में बिल्कुल दिन भर ही आउट नहीं होता था. ही वाज द ओनली पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू बैट. ओके, सो ऐसी टाइप की स्टोरीज जो भी है 15 सेंटेंसेस यू हैव टू राइट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so you have to complete these questions and you have to submit to me on Scholars ERP. So first I want to see all of you, everyone, just show me your faces faster. Everyone. Shreyansh is not here, Vedang is not here. Please turn your cameras on. Okay, children, so that's all for today's lecture. We will meet in the next one. For today's assignment, what do you have to do? These questions, जो मैंने बोला है, summary, 10 points, and 15 sentences on Sachin Tendulkar. These 3 questions you have to submit to me on Scholars DRP. We will be meeting in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Then, till then, bye-bye. And we will see you in the next one.